case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1951, a member of the Mono tribe, an Indian, was convicted of murder and sentenced to death by a California court. The case, known as in re Carmen, eventually reached the United States District Court for the Northern District of California in 1958 and centered on the jurisdiction of state courts to try serious crimes committed by Indians on their reservations, as stipulated by the 10 Major Crimes Act. The petitioner filed a writ of habeas corpus, arguing that the state court lacked jurisdiction over his case, as the 10 Major Crimes Act granted exclusive jurisdiction to federal courts. Initially, the California Supreme Court agreed with the petitioner, but later reversed its decision on a rehearing. The petitioner then appealed the case to the federal court. It emerged that during the trial, both parties in the court were unaware of the 10 Major Crimes Act. Though the testimony showed that both the petitioner and the victim were Indians, it failed to establish that the crime occurred in Indian country. The United States District Court for the Northern District of California ultimately ruled in favor of the petitioner. The court found that the California Superior Court had lacked jurisdiction to try him for the federal crime, and as a result, the petitioner was released from custody. The court emphasized that the 10 Major Crimes Act granted Indians the right to a federal trial, which could not be waived. The trial court and state attorneys had not upheld this right, and as a result, the proper jurisdiction was not ensured.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.